How to get rid of mildew smell in clothes. It's an easy mistake to make. You do a load of laundry and get busy, so you forget that it's there until the next time you open the washer and get hit by a strong, musty odor. Nothing can quite stink up clothes than mildew, and depending on how long laundry mildew has been left to set in your still damp clothes, the stink can be quite hard to remove. You would think that loads of detergent and fabric conditioner can simply wash off the mildew and make your clothes smell fresh and clean again, but it can make things worse by forming more residue that traps even more moisture on the fabric and causes more mold to sprout. Unless you manage to thoroughly remove the mold spores, you'd be left with clothes that are annoyingly musty, even though they may look clean to the naked eye. Luckily, you don't need to throw out your moldy clothes just yet. Here's how to get rid of mildew smell in clothes. Before we go through the lists, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. 1. The first thing you'll need to do is clean out your washing machine. Check the sides and the nooks and crannies of your washer for mold. Front-loading washing machines, which have watertight and airtight doors that seal with a rubber gasket, are especially notorious for trapping dirt and moisture. Top-loading machines fare a little better because the loose-fitting metal door lets the tank dry out between loads. Still, no matter what kind of machine you have, give the rubber door gasket and the detergent dispensers a good scrubbing. 2. Next, run a cleaning cycle by putting the water on the longest, hottest water setting and running an empty load with these cleaning agents in the wash tub: a cup of bleach, a cup of baking soda, a commercial residue buster for washers, and a cup of powdered dishwasher detergent to cut through the grease. Repeat with another cycle if the moldy smell persists. 3. Once the washer is all clean, put the moldy laundry back in the washer for a new cycle. Use only the regular quantity of detergent and don't put in any fabric conditioner. In the middle of the cycle, pause the machine and pour in 2 cups of white vinegar. Let the load soak for an hour before continuing with the rest of the cycle. And this time, please don't forget about this load. Use the longest wash cycle and add in an extra rinse cycle. 4. If the vinegar didn't quite get rid of the mildew smell, repeat number 2, but use 1 cup of baking soda instead of white vinegar. Sometimes a third cycle with white vinegar may be needed, but 2 cycles should typically be enough to get rid of lingering smells. 5. Enzyme odor removers can also help remove mildew smell, especially on fabric fibers like cotton and linen. Follow manufacturer instructions and keep your loads small to maximize product effectivity. As with the white vinegar and baking soda method, choose the longest cycle and add an extra rinse. If weather conditions allow, let your mildew-smelling clothes air out in the sunlight to kill odor-causing microbes and to really air out moisture that may be nestling in seams and folds. Sunlight can bleach fabric, however, so be sure to turn colored clothes inside out to protect the dye. Take note that spandex and other elastic fibers can lose their elasticity with repeated exposure to sunlight and heat. They should be fine the first time, however. And that's how to get rid of mildew smell in clothes.